Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Artland. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an easy cartoon vampire. So I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our vampire, we're going to start right here on our paper, and we just want to make kind of like an oval shape. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a nice big oval shape for the head of our vampire. Now, starting here, we want to make the hair. So to draw the hair, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then another one that goes up and down. So I want to start here, I'm going to go up and down, and I'll make another one that goes up and down right here for the hair. Next, starting here, I want to make two circles for the eyes. Starting right here, I'm going to make a circle for one eye. And then over here, I'm going to make a circle for the other eye. And right inside of here, I'm just going to add a little black dot that I'm going to color in. And I'll do the same thing over here. Next, right here, I'm just going to add a little bump for the nose. And right here, I'm going to add a little line for a mouth. I'm going to put two little V shapes right here for the fangs. Now, on each side of the head, I'm going to add an ear. So to draw the ear, you just want to go up to a point and come right back down. Then I'll do the same thing here, go up and then come right back down. Next, I want to draw the body. So to draw the body, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to draw another line that comes down right here. Next, you want to draw a line that goes up and then down for the shirt. So I'm going to make a line that goes up, kind of at an angle or diagonal, and then one that comes down. Now, starting here, I want to make the arms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'll draw a line that goes out, and then I'm just going to curve it back to here. I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then I'm just going to curve it back here. Then I'm just going to add two little lines right here, and two little lines right here. Now for the feet, all you want to do is draw two little lines that go down. So we'll draw a little line down here and a little line down here. I'm going to draw two little straight lines. And then we just want to make a line that goes up and then down for the legs. So we're just going to go up and down for the legs. Now the feet are going to be really easy. All I'm going to do is draw a line that goes out, and it's going to come back up here. And same thing over here. We're going to go out and then just come right back up here for the feet. Now right here, I want to add some details onto our vampire. I'm going to start by drawing a small circle right here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes right down to that point we made. I'm going to add a couple little dots for some buttons. And then I want to make his cape. Now to draw his cape, it's really easy. I'm going to start on each side of the hands, and we're just going to make a long line that goes down. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and down, and then another one that goes right to the body. Same thing here. I'm going to go up and down, and then I'm going to go up and right here to the body. Then if you want to add some extra details, you can give your vampire some eyebrows. And then you could always add some little details in the ears if you want to. But there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon vampire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.